Welcome back to my channel. It's Leah with SkinBeautifulrx. I'm a licensed esthetician, and my channel is dedicated to bringing you all the product knowledge I can find so that you can effectively treat your skin at home. Today's video, I am going over my two favorite moisturizers for winter, but truly you can use these all year round. They're not just a moisturizer, they are a full anti-aging treatment, as well as they stop, control, and help to completely clear inflammation, which is so important when it comes to anti-aging. So this is also an anti-aging treatment. So why is it important to have an anti-aging moisturizer in your routine? Well, as we age, our skin produces less oil. And of course, as we age, we also start to produce less collagen and elastin fibers, and they break down more rapidly. This results in thinning skin, dryness, rough texture, inflammation, sagginess, and fine lines and wrinkles. In order to counteract these terrible things, we have to replenish with really the perfect ingredients with a moisturizer that can actively treat while replenishing the lipids and the ceramides and everything we're constantly losing when our moisture barrier is broken. So these two moisturizers are my favorite because they not only strengthen the skin, they not only treat the barrier, but they're a full anti-aging and inflammation treatment. The first one we're going to talk about today is the Epicutis Hyvia cream. This is one that I personally use. I've done a few videos on it, and I love the way it feels. It's such a silky, lightweight texture. It's really important to know that this is also safe for pregnant or lactating women. It's also safe for anybody who's had a procedure done, so it's completely safe to put on ablated skin. Great for acne-prone skin, truly all skin types. But today, it's going to be perfect for mature, dry, aging skin. Key ingredients in the Epicutis Hyvia cream, which there are really great clean ingredients in this moisturizer, but the ones that I wanted to point out are camellia flower extract. This was traditionally used in Malaysia to treat actually toothache. So it's a medicinal extract, a medicinal herb that's really great for helping with inflammation. This extract contains active natural metabolites that our skin can use to not only be anti-inflammatory, but it's also antiseptic, which is why you can use it post-procedure. It also contains a healthy amount of bioactives, which help to firm the skin and help treat fine lines and wrinkles. This also has a few proprietary ingredients to Epicutis, including chia seed. This is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that help to replenish the lipid barrier. It not only reduces wrinkles, but helps reduce moisture loss because you're actually treating your moisture barrier when you apply this cream. Lastly, it also contains DSD, which is also another proprietary ingredient to Epicutis. It helps protect the skin from environmental stimuli that actually causes the skin to break down, that causes the skin to have inflammation and redness, which leads to not only dryness, it can lead to pigment, it can lead to acne, but it also blocks UV pollution and radiation, which in turn actually slows down the progressive timeline of aging skin. So this is a full anti-aging protective treatment while also being such a great moisturizer that effectively treats inflammation as well as the moisture barrier. Mine, as you can see, I use it all the time, and let me show you what this looks like on the skin. So it is a nice silky texture, and it has a lot of really great other ingredients that are going to help to moisturize, so you will like feel this on the skin. It definitely blends in nicely, but it leaves this nice like hydrated feel to the skin after you apply it. So that again is the Epicutis Hyvia cream. I absolutely cannot make a video about anti-inflammation, moisture, and really helping treat the skin barrier without talking about Sente. Their entire line is all about treating the skin barrier while effectively treating inflammation in the skin. So the next moisturizer that is a great addition to any routine if you are trying to treat dry, irritated, aging skin would be Sente's Dermal Repair Ultra Nourish. Of course, this contains, just like Epicutis, a proprietary and very important ingredient called HSA. This, again, is proprietary to Sente, so you're only going to find it in their products. HSA is a revolutionary replenishing molecule that actually targets the root cause of redness and inflammation in our cells and in our skin to turn off the inflammation while also helping to increase natural hydration and moisture. This ingredient, HSA, or heparin sulfate analog, is also great for fine lines and wrinkles. So again, these two products are not just moisturizers, they are great for total anti-aging. This also contains ceramides, and ceramides are naturally found in our skin. We actually have to have them to have healthy skin. Ceramides naturally in our skin support our skin barrier function and improve skin moisture retention. This also contains omega-3, 6, and 9, which keeps our skin bouncy and glowy and elastic. It's great for delivering moisture deep in the skin and keeping it properly nourished. It also has so many other great hydrating, moisturizing, and ingredients that just keep the skin supple, such as jojoba seed oil, vitamin E, macadamia seed oil, glycerin, and linoleic acid. So again, if you are somebody with mature skin, irritated, dry skin, post-procedure, this is perfectly safe to use because it is so gentle while replenishing everything your skin needs to be healthy, to stay strong, and actually look younger. Let me show you what this looks like, and this one's cool because it's in a pump. It's one of my favorite types of dispensers. And this one does feel slightly thicker if you're somebody who likes a thicker product. This is thicker going on than the Hyvia cream. I love this one too. It feels so good. And again, it just melts right into the skin. You're going to feel that hydration immediately. It's going to start working on fine lines and wrinkles and, of course, inflammation. So if you are looking for radiant, plump skin that glows year-round, that reduces inflammation, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and helps to firm and tighten your skin, then these two moisturizers are my absolute favorite, and either one of these are great to add to any routine, AM or PM, and are perfectly safe for all skin types, including acneic, oily skin, rosacea prone skin. Any skin type can use either one of these products and get amazing, beautiful, glowing results. If you have any questions, please let me know below. If not, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!